Hello, my name is Crystal Chigbu and I'm your Hope Catalyst. Today I'm going to be talking about what you should be doing during a vacation. If you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification button. What that does is you do not miss anything at all. And I was actually thinking about it. I have gone on so many vacations, but recently I went on a vacation and I started asking myself, why do you sometimes come back from a vacation and you feel more tired than actually before you went on the vacation? And I know that this might also be your own experience. And so as a result of that, I decided to share some of the things that have helped me when I go on vacation. And I think that also maybe just a little bit of tips. And first, I want to tell you what you should be doing. Or maybe I should first tell you what you should not be doing when you are on vacation. A lot of people go on vacation and it becomes a shopping spree. So you should not say you're going on vacation and then all you're doing is you're roaming around the market and trying to buy all those things that you've previously not had the time to go to the market to buy. Whether you're staying back in your location or you're traveling to another location, I see a lot of people just try to use that opportunity to go all around and they just shop. They shop till they drop dead, like they say, and then before you know it, basically you come back really more tired than you were before you went on that vacation. If it's a working vacation, it's different, but you sometimes see that people take time off work to go on vacation and then they are still with their work laptop. So pretty much all the emails they are privy to and they are practically working somewhere in their head, and before you know it, basically you just come back really tired. And so what I am going to share are some of the things I told myself during the course of my recent vacation, and told myself that it's really the things that are key and important for you to come back refreshed, so that you can jump back into everything that you want to do. So the first thing that I did was basically I turned on my notification sign for my emails. So pretty much when you try to send me an email, yes, it comes into my inbox. It doesn't bounce per se, but you get a message that literally tells you that I'm going to be away for a period of time and you're not going to be able to reach me because I'm going to have limited access to internet. And not just limited access to internet, really. I think for me, limited access to anything called work. And I just told myself I was going to shut my mind off work and boom, put my laptop aside. I know that it sounds like it's easy. It's not really something that is easy to do, especially when you're a workaholic, yeah? But that's what basically I did. That was the first thing. The second thing to do when you are on a vacation is, honestly, it's a vacation, so rest. Rest. Like, it's so easy. The way I tell my daughter is, I'll say it out. Rest, rest, rest. Put your mouth, you can say it. So basically, that's what you went to do. So it's okay to sleep. It's okay to binge watch TV. It's okay to just to rest. Take your mind off everything. One of the things that I have found really refreshing is just resting, honestly. The fact that I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing, no cares, but just eat, sleep, wake up, watch TV. Feel free to do it the way you want to do it, just rest. The third thing that I think anyone should be doing on a vacation also is take time to reflect. Take time to think back on things that are working, things that are not working as much as you want them to, and then what you want to do about it, that kind of a thing. And just take time to journal and pen down. So really, vacation periods for me are really a good time to reflect and just have fun. And then the final one, which I basically just put in there, is have fun while you're at it. if you travel outside of your location, I think it's a good opportunity for you to also see the town that you're going to. I give you a case in point. Maybe you live in Lagos, and if you live in Lagos like I do, it's a lot of noise, chaos, traffic, and all of that. And then maybe you travel to a place like Ibadan, where it's less traffic, things are a little bit cooler. You want to go around the city and just know what the city is about. In my own case, I try to see, are there things that are associated to that particular city? Is there a particular history? Is there a place that is a fun place to visit? Is there a site that is memorable to visit? I remember the time I went to Abeokuta in Nigeria, and they have this famous rock called Olumo Rock, and I went on the rock, did a climb of the rock, and the history behind it, the people that worship a shrine there and all of that. And that was just fantastic, just knowing the history of that country. So I would say fun. Just have all of the fun that you can have. That way, when you come back from your vacation, whether it's 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 10 weeks, you'll come back a lot more refreshed than when you went there. So remember that first you want to turn on the notification from work, and you want to send in, put on the out of office message that helps people to realize that, okay, Crystal is going to be out for a bit, and then there's time to come back to work. Don't carry your laptop with you if you can. Ignore those emails. And then the second thing basically that I have said is vacation is rest mode activated. So just rest. Don't try to do move around, shopping, and just going everywhere. And the main thing that you chose that time to do, which is rest, basically, you don't achieve that rest. And then you want to also meditate, reflect as much as possible. Reflection is good, so you can journal through that period. You want to check the things that are working, the things that aren't, and what you can do about it. And then finally, just have fun. Go everywhere. Understand the history of wherever you are. Even if you are staying in your current location, I'm sure there are probably places you're yet to visit or really see. And I think that this will help you to come back to work refreshed, and hopefully you can start with a bang when you get back to work. I want to learn from you the things that you have seen that works when you go on vacation. Please drop me a comment in the chat box and let's talk about it. And should you have any questions, boom, you can put it out there also. I will reply your messages. Have a lovely day.